Hello friend. Now this is the second lecture on limit point of the set. Now we have already seen the definition of limit point, and there is one previous video on the limit point of the set. Now see, we have seen the definition of limit point of the set. Now see what is the definition of limit point. If XD, if this is a metric space, and if suppose A, it is subset of X, then point X belongs to X. This is called the limit point of the space. Limit point of set A means that every neighborhood of A contains infinitely many points of A other than X. This is the definition of limit point. See what is the definition of limit point. For limit point, first of all, we require these three things. For limit point, first of all, we require some space. Secondly, we require some subset A. And what is the requirement? Third requirement, we require some point X, which is the element of this space X. What is the requirement for the limit point? First of all, we required some metric space XD. Secondly, we required some subset A of metric space X, and we required the point X, which is the element of space X. So first of all, note this point X, it may be element of A or it may not be element of A, both the cases. If suppose this is the metric space X and this is subset A, then what is this point X? It may be element of A or it may not be element of A. So this is the structure of the limit point. Then what is the definition of limit point? This point X, it is called the limit point of set A, means that every neighborhood contains infinitely many points of A other than X, then this X, it is called the limit point. What is the definition of limit point? X is called the limit point. Limit point means we have to take some neighborhood, and we require every neighborhood. Every neighborhood contains infinitely many points of A other than X, then it is called the limit point. Now in previous video, we have seen some example on the limit point. Now let us take one more example. Now find the limit point of the given set. A is equal to, now this is the first set, m plus 1 upon n, where what are m and n? These are the natural number. And what is second set A? A, this is given by n plus 1 upon n, where what is n? N, this is a natural number, and we have taken this R as a space, and obviously this A, this is subset of R. So this is the requirement. First of all, we required some space, we are taken as a real line. Secondly, we required some subset, and thirdly, we required some point. Now see, if we observe these two sets, now these are the different set. These are not the same structure, it is same, but actually it is the different set. Now the first set is n plus 1 upon n, where m and n are the natural number, and this is the second set, n plus 1 upon n, where what is n? N, it is the natural number. Now first of all, we find the limit point of this set. Now see what is the given set. A is equal to, this set contains n plus 1 upon n type structure, where what is m? M and n both are the natural number. Now the question is how to write this set. These are the natural number, m and n both are the natural number. Now suppose if we fix suppose m and let us take n as a variable. See how to write this stage. First of all, we fix m, put m equal to 1 and we vary n approaches to infinity. Let us take m equal to 2, let us fix m and n we vary as up to infinity. Let us fix m equal to 3 and we vary this n up to infinity. In this way we can write this set. Now see, if we fix suppose m equal to 1, where what is m? M it is a natural number. We can take m equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. These are the natural number and let us vary this n. Now if you put suppose n equal to 1, then what is this point? Just take m equal to 1 and put n equal to 1, 1 upon 1, this is suppose 2. What is next point? Let us fix m equal to 1 and let us vary n, put n equal to 2, so this is the next point, 1 half. So 1 plus 1 half, obviously this is suppose 1.5. Fix m equal to 1 and vary n, put n equal to 3. So what is this point? 1 upon 3 means 0.33. So this is obviously 1.33. Now if you observe this sequence to 1.5, 1.33, so obviously this point approaches towards 1. If you put suppose n equal to infinity, if you put suppose n equal to 1, then this is that point, 2. If you put n equal to 2, then this is 1.5. If you put n equal to 3, then this is 1.33. It is decreases. If you put n equal to suppose 4, then this is again something 1 point something. If we put n equal to infinity, if n approaches to infinity, then 1 upon infinity will be 0. So this is obviously the limit point of this set, it is 1. So see, if you plot this, suppose this point on the real line, this is suppose the real line, this is the first point, this is 2, 1.5, so this is the 1.5, next point it is 1.33. So in this way, this is the last point, it approaches towards 1 suppose, and this is our real line. Now in this pattern we observe that 1 is the limit point. Now see what is the definition of limit point. Limit point means this 1, it is the limit point. Limit point means if we take suppose the open sphere, what is the definition for limit point? Every neighborhood. Now for the real line, we have to take the open sphere as an open interval. Every open interval, it represents the open sphere. So what is the definition of limit point? Every neighborhood or every open sphere contains the infinitely many point of this set. Now obviously this open sphere or this neighborhood contains these infinitely many points. So obviously this one, it is called the limit point. Now this is not the limit point, 1.5, this is not the limit point, because if you consider this as an open sphere, then this open sphere does not contain any point of or infinitely many point of it. It just contains single point. But if you take this point, suppose 1, and if you draw this open sphere or neighborhood, then this open sphere, this left portion contains the infinitely many point. If you write this point, then this left portion contains the infinitely many point of A. So this is the limit point. So in the similar way, if you fix suppose m is equal to 2, now put m is equal to 2 and vary n, put n equal to 1, so this is suppose 3. What is the next point? 2 plus, now put n is equal to 2, it is something 2 point suppose 5. If we vary, suppose put n equal to 3, 2 plus 1 upon 3, we get some point, and if we put n equal to infinity, 1 upon infinity, it is 0. So obviously this approaches towards 2. So limit point, if we take m equal to 2, then what is the limit point? Limit point will be 2. If we fix suppose m equal to 3, then we observe that if we vary suppose n up to infinity, then this approaches towards the limit 3. So what are the limit point for this set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the natural number. So limit point of this set, it is nothing but all the natural number. A dash means set of all limit point, that is the notation for limit point. What are the limit point for this set? The limit point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinite number. So these are called the natural number. So limit point for this set, it is nothing but all the natural number. Now see, if we consider suppose the second set n plus 1 upon n. Now this is the different set. We cannot fix n and we cannot vary this n. These are the same number. Now suppose if we take suppose n equal to 1, then what is this number? 1 plus 1, this is suppose 2. N is a natural number. If we put suppose n is equal to 2, then what is this number? 2 plus 1 half, so this is 2.5 suppose. If we take suppose n equal to 3, then 3 plus 1 upon 3, so this is something 3.33 and so on. If we put n equal to 4, then we get some 4 point something. Now this is the given set. How to write the given set? Just put n equal to 1 and find out the value. Put n equal to 2 and just observe the value. Now if we plot all these points on the real line, now this is the first point, suppose 2. This is 2.5. This is 3.33. This is 4 point something and so on. Now this set has no limit point. Now if we try suppose for this number 2, this is not the limit point, because what is the definition of limit point? Limit point means we require some open sphere. For real line, this is the open sphere. Every open interval, it represents the open sphere for the real line. So every open sphere does not contain the infinitely many point of A. It contains just one point. So this is not a limit point. Similarly, 2.5, this is not a limit point, because this open sphere does not contain any point of A other than this 2.5. So there is no limit point. So obviously, set of all limit point, it is nothing but empty. There is no limit point. So see, these are the different example for finding the limit point. Now see, what is the difference between limit point of set and the limit point of sequence? Now let us see what is the difference between the limit point of given set and the limit point of sequence. Now see, what is the definition of limit point for a set? What is the condition for limit point? Every neighborhood contains infinitely many point every neighborhood contains infinitely many point of A other than X. This is the definition for limit point for the set. Now see, what is the definition for limit point for a sequence? Now this is the definition. If AN, it is the sequence in a metric space, suppose XT, then L, it is called the limit point. What is the definition of limit point? The definition, it is again same. Every neighborhood contains infinitely terms of the segment. So this is the difference between the limit point of set and limit point of the segment. For limit point of set, we required infinitely many point. We require the element. But for the limit point of the sequence, we require the infinitely many terms of the sequence. This is the difference between the set and sequence. For the definition of limit point of set, we required infinitely many points. And in the definition of limit point for the sequence, we required infinitely many terms of that sequence. These are the element and these are the terms of the sequence. Now let us take some example. Now see, if we consider this sequence an is equal to, suppose, -1 raised to n, suppose this is the sequence. Now what is sequence? Domain it is n and range it is the real line. Now if we take, suppose, n equal to 1, if we put n equal to 1, then this is -1. If we take, suppose, n equal to 2, then -1 square it is 1. Put n equal to 3, then this is -1. Put n equal to 4, it is +1. -1, put n equal to 6, then this is 1. Put n equal to 7, this is -1, +1, and so on. So this is the infinite sequence. It contains just two elements, -1 +1, -1 +1. So domain it is the natural number, but what is range? Range it contains just two elements. It contains -1 and +1. So see what is the definition of limit point. For this sequence, this is called the limit point. Now how to imagine that case this 1 it is the limit point? Because now suppose if we consider this point 1 and if we consider this, suppose, the neighborhood or the open sphere. Now this open sphere contains just 1.1. This open sphere it contains just single point 1, and this 1 repeats infinitely many times. There is just single point, but this one repeat infinitely many times. This is the second position, fourth position, sixth position, eighth position. So at every number, at every even number, this term will repeat. So this is called a limit point. What is the definition of limit point? 1 it is called a limit point because what is the definition? This every neighborhood contains the infinitely many term. This 1 repeat infinitely many times. So 1 it is called the limit point. As well as we can say that -1 it is the limit point for this segment, because if we take, suppose, -1, now this is the open sphere for this -1. Now this open sphere contains just one number, -1, but this -1 repeat infinitely many times. So this is what the definition of limit point. L it is called a limit point. Limit point means the every neighborhood contains infinitely many terms. These are the term of the sequence. So this is what the difference between the limit point of the set and limit point of the segment. Limit point of set contains, or limit point of set means every neighborhood contains infinitely many point or infinitely many element of that set. And in case of sequence, every neighborhood contains infinitely many terms of the sequence. This set contains element or point and the sequence contains the infinitely many terms. Thank you.